Hi guys, welcome to Market News and Updates. This is your host Omi and welcome to Omi Miss YouTube channel. As we can see, BTC is pumping right now, Ethereum is pumping right now, market looks very bullish. Let's start our today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to the video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button if you like this video. And अब हम देखते हैं हमारी खबरों में क्या चल रहा है. Let's start with our news. The first news we have today is First Mover Asia Bitcoin rises amid light weekend trading. Yet Bitcoin's market dominance has been dropping as interest in altcoins soars. Transaction fees on Ethereum blockchain have been rising. तो अगर हम लोग देखें as soon as the weekend ended in Asia, we started seeing BTC beginning to make big moves and we also saw BTC की dominance 42 से 43 के अंदर बहुत स्पीड से spike up कर गई and we could clearly see that the money flow has changed and now the money is BTC and Ethereum again. For the past 20 days almost, we saw BTC was sideways in the same area and now we have to break a 60,200 resistance so we can touch the previous all-time high.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
House sends infrastructure bill with crypto tax provision to US President. The vote passed by bipartisan supports on Friday night. तो अमेरिका के अंदर एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बिल था जिसके ऊपर बहुत टाइम से बहस चल रही थी, जिसको हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल का नाम देते हैं. तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल के अंदर ये था कि फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू ओन क्रिप्टो एंड यू आर एन अमेरिकन सिटीजन, यू गोइंग टू बी टैक्स ऑन योर डिजिटल एसेट्स एंड ऑन ऑल्सो ऑन योर क्रिप्टो एंड ऑन एवरी सिंगल ट्रांजेक्शन दैट यू डू. कि आपने 10 USDT के डोज ले लिए तो उसके ऊपर जो भी टैक्स बनता है वो आपको देना होगा. फिर अगर आप उनको बेचने जाएंगे देन अगेन यू हैव टू पे द टैक्सेस. सो दिस बिल इज गोना बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय 2024. But because it's so vivid right now and so vague, they need to make a infrastructure to implement it as well. So the department's already said that the bill looks very aggressive and harsh. So when they want to implement it, they have to really look into it that it doesn't create a chaos in the society.
अरे बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो.
But it's a very important news. This news later on can even start a bear market when it further progresses. This is a very dangerous news for the market right now. FBI warns of scams using crypto ATMs and QR codes. The US Law Enforcement Agency says there has been an increase in scammers directing victims to use physical crypto ATMs and QR codes to complete transactions. I also wanted to warn a lot of you guys, you are new, especially the newbies that just came with the FOMO in the retail market. Please be very careful. In markets के अंदर बहुत scams होते हैं, बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं. I've seen people giving 1 Ethereum against 1 Ethereum on a live video on YouTube and then people actually participate in it thinking कि ये तो वाकई Vitalik is sitting in that video. Basically these are all scammers. They use old videos of conferences, put them on live shows on YouTube and many people think maybe it's a live event going on and they're actually giving 2 Ethereum to us or something like that. But this doesn't work out like this. Nobody's ever going to give you free Bitcoin, Ethereum, any cryptocurrency for no reason. So you must understand that. Protect your IDs, protect your wallet addresses and be as safe as you can in this industry, because as BTC's price keep rising, we're going to be seeing a lot of scammers trying to scam people now. Incoming New York Mayor wants crypto taught in school. Incoming New York Mayor Eric Adams believes schools should be preparing students to navigate the world of cryptocurrency and digital assets. I also agree with Eric Adams. I think that the new kids of our generation, especially Generation X, Z, these kids really have to learn these things early as possible. I just hope they don't waste their time studying the things we did, which can't really never helped us in our lives. And now when we are grown up, especially these 90s kids, suddenly we are in a situation in our lives where we were taught to be profession and choose a profession and be that. And now after the pandemic crisis, everybody's been telling us to be skillful, make new skills, have more skills and stuff like that. So we kind of wasted a lot of time of our life already studying school, but then now we're realizing we don't have the same set of school skills and then we have to go join other courses just to get skills.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
So be very careful, teach your kids while they're young. And that's all for our news today. Let's see what's happening in our technicals and charts. So let's see हमारे टेक्निकल्स में क्या चल रहा है. Let's start with coin market cap and let's get into the details. तो अगर हम बिटकॉइन की डोमिनेंस को देखें, ट्रेडिंग राइट नाउ एट 43.4. इथेरियम की डोमिनेंस को देखें तो ट्रेडिंग अबाउट 19.5. The global crypto market cap is 2.86 trillion, a 4.22 increase over the last day. तो market में speed से पैसा आता जा रहा है. Weekend was quite slow. Usually weekends are slow, but the good part is that the money kept coming in. Bitcoin's dominance currently 43.44, an increase of 1.02% over the day. तो increase हो गया already in less than 24 hours. BTC dominance has made some massive moves, and we can see a sharp increase of 1%. Overall market को scroll करते हैं and let's get what kind of vibe we have today in the markets. Overall अगर हम लोग देखें, alts have been doing pretty well. We've seen AVAX make a new all-time high. Solana had been making a new all-time high. We've seen Ethereum making a new all-time high. This is literally the season of making new all-time highs. You know, everything has made an all-time high. It's a mixed bag. Nothing special. Like there's not much red that I would say, okay, there's blood on the street, there's blood on the road. But what we can see now is it's a mixed bag. There's some greens, some nice greeneries, some nice reds. That's a good healthy market, and that's a good healthy Monday as well. 24 hours में देख लेते हैं who was the one. So we can see Doge, Elon Musk, Elon. A lot of people has been asking me about this coin. I don't know what the fundamentals are, and I don't want to invest in anything like this. I just saw AVAX and all these good layer 1 projects doing so well. Why would you want to invest in something like this that has nothing to do with it? OKB is doing pretty well. It's a OK Exchange token, Crypto.com, Loopring, Qcoin token, Dogecoin, AVAX, XRP, Stacks, Bitcoin, Gold, Kusama, ICP, and obviously Bitcoin. So not much of the coins are pumping. Mainly it's a mix of layer 1 and BTCs wrapped and BTC coins. We have Engine Coin that's down, Shiba Inu is down, RV is down, RV is making a new higher lows. EGLD is also down, making a new higher low. The Sandbox is down, CH Chills is down, OMG is down, Hollow is down. Solana is also covering, and even Thorchain, Rune, and Terra Luna. Mainly the market what we are seeing right now is only Ethereum and particularly BTC is pumping, and they deserve it because we haven't seen BTC pumping for almost now 20 days. It's been sideways in the region of 59 to 62, and now finally we broke the 62, 63. Let's see how the market keeps carrying on and whether we're going to be seeing a massive pump in BTC later in the evening as well.
And billions and billions and
ग्रिड को देखते हैं कि आज कितनी लालच आ गई है हमारे लोगों में और कितनी मार्केट में लालच है. So it's at 75. That means we aren't really as high. Yesterday we were at 73, and mainly our week has gone on 73, 74, 72. So now we're expecting maybe in the next 24 hours the greed will creep in because we've seen BTC making some big moves. There were a lot of big investors and buyers who just left the markets because उन्होंने बोला यार यहाँ तो अभी BTC ऊपर ही नहीं जा रहा, फालतू के छोटू मोटू ऑल्ट कॉइन्स पम्प कर रहे हैं. Not everybody likes altcoins, you know, you must understand that. जिन लोगों के पास बहुत पैसा होता है, they like to remain in BTC and Ethereum because it's a very high reward system. आप $1000 लगाते हो और वो पम्प हो जाते हैं तो it becomes $2,000-3,000 very quickly. You can't do that in alts as quickly and with less stress. You have high risk, high reward in alts. Not everybody likes to play gambling with their money, and it's not even ideally advised to play gambling with your hard-earned money. Be smart, use your charts, do your TA, and get good calls, and just do that. That's the reason we don't do calls on this channel. We don't want to be like a signal-based channel. That's what everyone is doing in Pakistan, India, and the subcontinent. We want to empower people, teach them to do charting, and give them news every day so they can empower themselves and make better financial decisions. चार्ट्स में चलते हैं, बहुत लंबी हो गई. तो चार्ट में देखते हैं इथेरियम डोमिनेंस क्या हो गई है. इथेरियम की डोमिनेंस को देखें तो वी वर नाइस अप ट्रेंड. इथेरियम वाज बुलिंग राइट नाउ, but now we are seeing a sideways movement in Ethereum, and the king of the moment right now is BTC, and as we can see keep pumping up. We saw a big downtrend when we saw all coins started pumping and the market having a shift and the money flow changed, and now we're seeing the opposite directions going on again, where the money flow is changing and the dominance is also changing. BTC is coming back into the driving seat while the alts are going to be resting for a while, and Ethereum is going to be following whatever BTC does. While we saw a similar relationship that when Ethereum was pumping, it was also making BTC pump. Overall again, so we can see XRP's dominance is doing pretty well. Solana's dominance is down. I've added a lot of dominances lately so I can give you guys more comprehensive detail. USDT वगैरह USDC को भी देख लें तो it's all right. Market caps are pumping right now. Overall market looks good. So BTC is pumping. BTC को start करते हैं, थोड़ा सा देखते हैं BTC को. Then we'll discuss some other coins. So this was our channel. We went out of this channel nicely. Pam 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 pam. We're already here. We're close to our all-time high, which is 67,000. We have a massive resistance somewhere around 66,200. From these areas in the past, we really need to have momentum to go through them. Or most probably we're gonna have a correction and maybe build a support and build more momentum and then break through. So anything is possible right now. Just have to monitor the markets. As we see, Ethereum has made a new all-time high. I'm tired of putting new horizontal rays because every other day we make a new all-time high and then we're in this situation. So we were in a rising channel. We had a breakout. We went, collected momentum from our support, and boom, Ethereum made a new all-time high. So AXS, one of my favorite coins, have been performing really well as well. It's trying to make a new support, as we can see कि $10 ऊपर आके it's trying to make its support higher. This is what usually it does, and it's also a sign that AXS can be exploding anytime, because I'm still expecting $200 AXS. Or let's see AR also made a massive pumps, and we can see it made a very nice high. Its all-time high right now I think is about 91. That's just absolutely insane. Project I have been promoting, following, and I love this project a lot because the file storage, easy storage. Even our YouTube videos, my NFT art I store on Arweave because I know it's digital, right? I don't have to keep buying hard disk USBs to back up my data all the time. It's pretty convenient. It's online. Solana, oh Nana, another favorite coin of mine. Solana made about 260. Yep, very nice pump, making a new support here. We can repeatedly see that it goes up, has a correction, makes support, goes up, makes a correction. Solana is also looking very bullish. And right now the only one that is still pumping right now is AVAX. AVAX is made about 95.51. It is just absolutely insane. If you have been following us on this channel, you know that we've been tracking AVAX from somewhere here when we bought it on our supports. Like for me, I bought it at 35 and I'm just enjoying right now. So EGLD also, we're gonna have a look. EGLD is also making a support on our support, which was previous high 303. FTM is been in and out of the trend line, back into trend line, been testing the trend line and been chilling, not much movement. If we look at DOT has been sideways after making an all-time high. Probably is going to be building momentum on this zone. Usually when we go sideways in a zone, that's a sign we're building momentum here. Similar situation in Chainlink. I really expect Chainlink to make some massive moves. It's already began to pump with Ethereum. Luna also making all-time high recently. Luna's all-time high is about 53, but I'm expecting Luna to keep pumping. What I like about Luna and AVAX is they keep going up. They haven't had any bearish pattern, they haven't had any bearish trend. They keep following the uptrend, and slowly, steadily they keep going up. I think that's all the good main points we can discuss today. Yeah. So let's just do a quick update for Ethereum and BTC, like where am I seeing them going. For me, BTC target from this massive bull flag. If you can see, this is our rod for the flag and this is our flag. If we actually just take this target, this is about somewhere about 69, 70, 75k. So I expect BTC to first break about 69, and then after 69 we see somewhere about 70, 75. For Ethereum, we have been saying it for a long time now. Ethereum has to be about 5,200. It haven't done the exact same gains that we've seen in BTC yet. So I'm also expecting here also we can see a nice bull flag, and for this target is about also 4,900, 5,000. So yeah, I hope you guys have been cashing in and making a lot of money. This is the season to make money, and don't worry about the altcoins. Altcoins will pump. As you can see, BTC went to one level and then we saw altcoins start pumping when BTC went sideways on that levels. Now we want BTC to go to 80,000, 70,000 and go sideways there, then the altcoins will follow. So that's all for today's videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you need any kind of help, just reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. And take care, guys. This is the start of the weekend. Have a great week. Bye bye, guys. Take care.